In this tutorial, I will show you how to make stickers for Cricut using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, click Create a Design and choose a page size such as A4 or letter so you can fit multiple stickers on one page. After the editor opens, go to the Elements tab on the left side and add a basic shape such as a circle, square or rounded rectangle. This shape will act as the base of your sticker. Resize the shape to the size you want for your sticker and change the color or style to match your design. Next, add your artwork. You can upload your own logo or image from the Uploads tab or search for graphics in the Elements section. Place the design on top of the shape and adjust the size and position until the sticker looks the way you want. Once your first sticker is ready, duplicate it and arrange multiple copies across the page so you can print a full sheet of stickers. Make sure to leave a little space between each sticker so the Cricut machine can cut them properly. When you finish designing, click the Share button and select Download. Choose PNG as the file type and enable the transparent background option so the stickers can be cut cleanly. Download the file and upload it to Cricut Design Space to print and cut your sticker sheet. That is how you make stickers for Cricut using Canva.